everybody, Artistic Flair here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make this Winter is Here cup. Let's begin! Okay, so I'm going to start by prepping my cup with alcohol on the areas that I'm going to be placing in my design. So if you don't know how to use the Critcut app, I'm going to have this little tutorial area right here how to set everything up. If you've already seen this, click on the time card below to skip over to the next part. I'm going to be using Critcut's Permanent Glossy Premium Vinyl and their transfer tape. I'm going to be using the red and the light blue. Now it's time to cut out the pieces. Using the hook tool, I'm going to be uncovering the design. By this point, now that we uncovered the designs, we want to add the transfer tape so that we can put the sticky end onto our cup. Once you place the designs on the cups, we're gonna flatten it down with our tool right here, and then we're gonna just peel it slowly, making sure that our design isn't coming off, and then you'll have to wait 24 to 48 hours, which is a day or two, until it's fully on when you can start washing it and stuff. But congratulations guys, you made it to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it and you made your own cup. If you liked this video and if it was helpful, please leave a like. It lets me know that you guys like content like this, and I'll be doing more tutorials on Cricut based on the likes. In the comment section, let me know if you made your own cup and what designs did you make. Consider subscribing now to my channel if you want to get notified on any new content. As always, stay creative!